welcome back to another art video. Um, I honestly do not know what we're gonna draw, but we're gonna do a blind contour of a tree, and yeah, it is a nice day. Yesterday was nice too, but I didn't go outside yesterday because I woke up too early, and then like I only want to go out when super early. So, but ever since I started doing the one book regimen, I am not watching. I'm not allowed to watch any like YouTube tutorials, and that's all YouTube recommends me is like art tutorial. And obviously, you'll be in like art tutorial hell, but not me. Mostly just on like as noise versus like, oh wow, I'm learning from this. I'm just focused on what it is as far as like those things that come up. And yeah, so I'm not even allowed to use any of my other art books. I think after I do this Dragon Ball Z one, the one I'm gonna do is the how to draw the Marvel way, because I have that book and I haven't used it. So that one, and then next is gonna be the Betty Edwards colored 30 book. I think when I get drawn with the right side of your brain, I do want to get that book as well. So if it goes up for cheap, a good clean looking one that's not gross, or maybe I'll just go and borrow it from like the library. Go check out the library. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I would say like, oh man, this is gonna be a good summer. I feel like the last good summer was 2021. I think that was it. And I'm talking about, I guess, like post-COVID. I guess post-Fortnite would be the last good summer. Pre-Fortnite would have been 2020, 2014. I want to say, maybe. No, that's not true. The last good summer was, before that was, I don't know when it was. It's a long time ago, like many years. Kind of crazy to think about when you really go through the math of it all. You'll never really understand the significance or the sincerity of that experience, because like I think of time in two ways, and the two ways are way number one before Fortnite, and the other one is after Fortnite, and then the third way, or the second way I guess, is before COVID and after COVID. So like there's like eras of reality, and each of those are just a different experience altogether, and you just don't know what it is that you got, because that's like a you know, it's simultaneous, you know what I mean? Like, it is a simultaneous experience, and you can't control how things are gonna go as far as that, but it's something that I would prefer not to deal with. Alright, this is a bit harder because I keep doing it and then I like make a mistake. Not make a mistake, but like I get knocked off the page. But yeah, I don't know. That's the way I think about time at this point. But hopefully we get back to doing these kind of videos where it's just like, you know, live commentary and not post commentary. I mean, I could do live commentary at home, but I take so long at home when I'm doing stuff because I'm like doing these large scale things, and it's not really as quick as it is when I'm outside. Because outside, like, alright, you know, I have limited battery time, so I'm just kind of pushing through to get it finished, and not so much to do anything at the snail's pace. And that was a phone call. Should I edit that out? I don't know. Anyway, back to drawing this tree. It's really hard to capture what needs to be captured in it. I keep looking at the paper now. So seemingly, maybe I have some opportunities coming along. I don't know. If I do, then you know, that's a good thing, because then I can possibly get more opportunities. You never know. In the system of capital, you gotta play with it. That's crazy. It's like a whole like river between us. You can hear the people across, like, you know, having a great time, because I guess sound travels, right? Honestly, do not know what I'm doing with this one, and yeah, I think essentially done with it, because I can't shade this in, you know. I can't shade it in, but if you are enjoying the video, you enjoy watching me do blind contour draws or whatever else you enjoy me doing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that is it. See you later. Bye.